Nothing makes Senator Lindsey Graham of South Carolina going berserk and nuts than the subject of child pornography, and he keeps attacking the judge Ketanji Brown Jackson, nominee for U.S. Supreme Court, and he accused her of being soft and lenient on child pornography, and he thinks that she is responsible for the epidemic of child pornography on computers and internet, and he points to 12 cases that she passed sentences in prison for defendants, and he accused her of reducing the required or requested sentences of prosecutors. This is a very common thing. He went further. He suggested if somebody download images for 15 minutes, he or she, whoever do that, will get 50 years in prison. 50 years in prison for 15 minutes download, and no harm being done for anyone, just for 15 minutes, 50 years. He's a crazy, nuts. 50 years of human being for no harm. Just somebody download, and who determined this is children? Maybe for naked women or nudity or anything like that. How he counted 50 million for children in pornography? So he gave hard time for Ketanji Jackson Brown, and he quizzed her how many child pornography images in computer, how she knows. Then he says there's 85 million images of children on computers. How he was able to count 85 million, and how Ketanji should know this figure 85 million. This is amazing. And he thinks that will be able, or she is responsible for all these images on computer. This is complicated cases, and who knows internet source, who's the one published this. Sometime maybe out of the country, or they hide their sources. Nobody can trace them. And anytime she has rationale how she will give sentences, he ridicule her. And Senator Graham, he keep interrupting her. He gave her a question, he keeps shaking his head, making faces in front of her, and this makes people angry. And Judiciary Chair Dick Durbin in several points asked Graham to let Jackson finish her answer, and he want her to be angry, and he say she should lower the boom on images and the people who watch images. This is crazy, this bachelor man who accuses the Ketanji. She has kind of compassion, or he wants her to be very harsh, giving very harsh sentences. That is ridiculous. And he tell her he will not treat her like the Democrats and the left did for Judge Kavanaugh, who was accused of trying to rape a woman when he was in college. What she has to do with that? This Senator Lindsey Graham is unbelievable, and he was not fair at all with Ketanji.